14th question. The sum of first three terms of a GP is 16. And the sum of the next three terms is 128. Determine the first term, the common ratio, and the sum to n terms of the GP. Solution. We have S3 is equal to 16 and sum of next three terms, that is S6 minus S3 is equal to 128. This implies S6 is equal to 128 plus S3 is equal to 128 plus 16 is equal to 144. This implies A into R raised to the power 6 minus 1 divided by R minus 1 is equal to 144. Say number 1. X3 is equal to 16 implies A into R cube minus 1 divided by R minus 1 is equal to 16. Say number 2. Dividing 1 by 2, we get A into R raised to the power 6 minus 1 divided by R minus 1 whole divided by A into R raised to the power 3 minus 1 divided by R minus 1 is equal to 144 divided by 16. R minus 1 and R minus 1 will get cancelled, C and A will get cancelled. 16 ones are 16 nines are 144. This implies R raised to the power 6 minus 1 can be written as R cube minus 1 into R cube plus 1 divided by R cube minus 1, you can keep as it is equal to 9. R cube minus 1 and R cube minus 1 you can cancel. This implies R cube is equal to 9 minus 1, that is 8 is nothing but as a 2 raised to the power 3. This implies R is equal to 2. Substituting R is equal to 2 in 1, we get A into 2 cube minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is equal to 16. This implies A into 7 divided by 1 is equal to 16. This implies A is equal to 16 by 7. Therefore, Sn is equal to A into R raised to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 is equal to 16 by 7 into 2 raised to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is equal to 16 by 7 into 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Hence, the first term of a GP is 16 by 7 common ratio is 2 and the sum of n terms is equal to 16 by 7 into 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Question number 16. Find a GP for which sum of the first two terms is minus 4 and the fifth term is 4 times the third term. Solution. Let A be the first term and R the common ratio of a GP. Therefore, A plus AR is equal to minus 4 and fifth term, that is A into R raised to the power 4 is equal to 4 times of third term, that is A R square. This implies A into bracket 1 plus R is equal to minus 4 implies A is equal to minus 4 divided by 1 plus R. Say number 1. Second condition implies A and A we can cancel. R square and R square we can cancel. Then we will get R square is equal to 4. This implies R is equal to plus R minus 2. When R is equal to two, from 1 A is equal to minus 4 divided by 1 plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. When R is equal to minus 2, from 1 A is equal to minus 4 divided by 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 will get in the denominator, so minus sign will get cancels, we will get A is equal to 4. Therefore, required GP is minus 4 by 3 minus 8 by 3, that is AR minus AR square 16 by 3 dash dash dash, or 4 when r is equal to minus 2 and a is equal to 4, minus 8 16 dash dash dash. Question number 18. Find the sum to n terms of the sequence A 88, 888, 8888 dash dash dash. Solution. Sn is equal to 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus dash 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 n terms is equal to, when you take 8 by 9 common from all the terms, we will get 9 and will get cancelled, so we will get 8. Similarly, 99 plus 999 plus dash 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 n terms is equal to 8 by 9. This 9 can be written as 10 minus 1 plus 99 can be written as 100 minus 1, that is 10 square minus 1 plus 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1, that is nothing but as 10 cube minus 1 plus dash 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 n terms is equal to 8 by 9 into bracket 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus dash 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 plus 10 raised to the power n plus minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 dash 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 n terms is equal to 8 by 9 into bracket. This is a GP with the first term 10 and common ratio 10. Therefore, sum is 10 into 10 raised to the power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. How many times? N times. So therefore we can write minus n is equal to s, in the denominator we will get 9. So when you simplify we will get 8 by 9 into bracket 10 into 10 raised to the power n minus 1 divided by 9 minus n, or we can write this as 80 divided by 81 into 10 raised to the power n minus 1 minus 8 by 9 n. Question number 19. Find the sum of the products of the corresponding terms of the sequences 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 128, 32, 8, 2, 1 by 2. Solution. The product of the corresponding terms of the sequences 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 128, 32, 8, 2, 1 by 2 gives a sequence two into 128, 4 into 32, 8 into 8, 16 into 2, 32 into 1 by 2. Here A is equal to 2 into 128, R is equal to 4 into 32 divided by 2 into 128 is equal to 1 by 2 and n is equal to 5. Therefore, required sum is equal to 2 into 128 into 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 5 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to, in the denominator 1 minus 1 by 2 we will get 1 by 2. So when you take to the numerator, so that 2 will go to numerator, so that is 2 into 128 into bracket 2 raised to the power 5 is the LCM, that is 32 minus 1 is equal to 32 ones are 32, 32 fours are 128. So next step is 16 into 31 is equal to 496. Question number 22. If the pth, qth and rth terms of a GP are A, B and C respectively, prove that A raised to the power q minus r into B raised to the power r minus p into C raised to the power p minus q is equal to 1. Solution. Let capital A be the first term and capital R the common ratio of a GP. Then pth term AP is equal to A into R raised to the power P minus 1. AQ is equal to A into R raised to the power Q minus 1 and AR is equal to A into R raised to the power small letter r minus 1. Since pth term is A, therefore A is equal to A into R raised to the power P minus 1. Similarly, B is equal to A into R raised to the power Q minus 1 and C is equal to A into R raised to the power r minus 1. LHS is equal to A raised to the power Q minus r into B raised to the power r minus p into C raised to the power p minus q is equal to, substituting the values of A, B and C, we get A into R raised to the power P minus 1 whole raised to the power Q minus R into A into R raised to the power Q minus 1 whole raised to the power R minus P into A into R raised to the power r minus 1 whole raised to the power p minus q is equal to A raised to the power q minus r into A raised to the power r minus p into A raised to the power p minus q. Bases are same, we can add the exponents with the same base A. That is A raised to the power q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q into r raised to the power, so we can simplify the exponents, pq minus pr minus q plus r plus qr minus pq minus r plus p plus pr minus qr minus p plus q is equal to A raised to the power, all the terms of exponent will get cancels, we will get 0 into r raised to the power 0. So exponent of r will become 0 is equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1 is equal to RHS.